Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new week of the Forex trading analysis. Hope last week went well for you as it did for me. For the coming week, we'll be looking at the AUDUSD, the NZDUSD, AUDJPY, and NZDJPY from last week as well. Let us dive right in. Here goes a quick recap of the pairs that we had on the watch list for the just ended week. AUDJPY was the first pair on the watch list for last week. It reacted accordingly. So we had the move to the trend lines area, and then the AUDJPY dropped over 200 pips before this slight reversal came in. The NZDJPY, even as it correlates with the AUDJPY, also followed suit. It retested the trend line and the price of interest area as new resistance before dropping over 190 pips before this slight reversal came in. I hope you were able to take profits on both pairs before these slight reversals, because there was enough time to do that. The AUDJPY was the third pair on the watch list for last week, and it was a very stubborn pair, I must admit. It did a false breakout over here, went back up before the real breakout came through. The GBP was a very hard pair to trade. At a point, I let it go and took advantage of the Euro AUD. So the Euro AUD also was slightly difficult. It did a fake retest over here before the real breakout came through. So let me know what happened for you last week. If you made money on any of these pairs, let me know in the comment box. Let us move on to what we have for this week. AUDUSD is the pair that opens the curtains for the coming week. You can actually see on the chart that AUDUSD has been in a downtrend for months, and this trend line is here to time the downtrend and to show us what to do during the coming week. For the coming week, I'll be expecting some sort of choppiness below the trend line, and as long as the AUDUSD remains below the confines of this downtrend line, I would remain bearish, but I wouldn't be touching it because my expectation on this pair is a bullish breakout. So I'll be expecting a move that will be choppy below the trend line for a while before the bulls break out with this trend line. So I'm expecting a bullish breakout on the AUDUSD, and that is what I'll be expecting on the other pairs that we have for this week as well, since the price action is very similar. NZDUSD, being the positive correlation counterpart of the AUDUSD, has everything in common with the first pair that we analyzed. We can see that the price action is similar, and even the trend line is also the same. It shouldn't come as a surprise, as the expectation would also be the same. So I'll be expecting the NZDUSD stay below the confines of the downtrend line for a while before the breakout is established for the coming week. One thing is that the breakout may be immediate. If it's immediate, I'm not interested in it. If it's immediate, I'll be interested in the retest, the breakout actually, and the retest of this trend line as new support before the bulls step in. But if it's not immediate, this expectation is what I'll be looking towards for the coming week. And same can also go for the AUDUSD. If you watch the previous week's market analysis from my channel, you can actually testify to the fact that I had the AUDJPY and the NZDJPY on the watch list for you. They make it into this week as well. So the AUDJPY and the NZDJPY has been reanalyzed for totally different expectations. Last week they met expectations slightly. Let us see what it will be doing for us this week as well. So we can see the AUDJPY in some sort of symmetrical triangle. So the breakout of this pair can go both ways, but due to my bias on the AUDUSD, my first expectation will be a breakout of the resistance on this pair. Also, there's the possibility that the AUDJPY could retrace to the support level for a bearish breakout to occur, but it will take a lot of conviction for me to join the AUDJPY in a bearish breakout. So my full bias on the AUDJPY for this week is a breakout of the resistance of this seemingly symmetrical triangle. Let us see what we have for the last pair, the NZDJPY as well. although not so cleanly, the NZDJPY is moving just like the AUDJPY. It's not so clean as this trend line can connect to this high as it did on the AUDJPY, but we are not here for the neatness of the price action. We are here for the breakouts that will be bringing about money making opportunities. So the forecast for this one is also very similar to that of the AUDJPY, a breakout of the resistance or a breakout of the support. And just like it was on the AUDJPY, I'll be expecting more towards the breakout of the resistance. One thing you need to note for the coming week is that you've heard me made mention of breakout, breakout, breakout. So be very, very cautious of false breakout. That is a breakout and an initial break back into the confines of the structures that we'll be looking at. That is it for the coming week. I wish you a profitable trading week. Stay safe, stay profitable.